Hi, my name is Edward Shim, Managing Director of Studio One Labs. Studio One Labs is a Canadian technology company transforming electronics into fabrics, leading the way towards a future of advanced technologies. Recently, we've had multiple patents granted in different countries, so now Studio One Labs is best known for OEM sensors for dynamic fabric pressure sensors. Originally, we started off in the healthcare sector because we were concentrating on specifically measuring something that was precise and consistent in the healthcare sector. So we were trying to see that if we can measure certain vital signs, such as breathing, and more in terms of not the average breathing rate, but then precision in terms of the deep versus shallow to identify abnormal breathing patterns. So that's how it started off. And then a lot of the solutions out there in terms of sensors and technologies weren't able to measure so much of that precision. So we started looking into different methods of being able to do it. And that's where the fabric technology came to light. And playing around with it a little bit, we started discovering different ways that we can measure that level of precision in the changing environments. And the result has been that we ended up creating and inventing a new sensor that has been very durable and has worked in so many different diverse projects and environments so far that now it's been at the point where what does the future of innovation, science, research, and discovery hold for us? There's so much potential, being that prior to this, a lot of the sensors that were used, there was more time spent towards filtering information rather than actually being able to do a lot of the filtering on the edge or on the device itself so that you can output and get a lot more better information from it. No, not at all, actually. My co-founder and I, we were both in the arts and science side. And a lot of this stuff we had to learn all on our own. So one of our interests in the beginning was about the human brain. Mine was more about the physical brain, and hers was more about the cognitive or the functioning of it. So what was perfect was that together we were able to design the hardware, and then my co-founder Olivia was able to build out the firmware and the software, which is essentially the functioning of the brain from the physical aspect of it. So we were self-taught in this, but then by working with so many academics through the SOSCIP consortium, that's where we were able to enhance our level of knowledge and expertise in many different fields.